The first thing to do is grab your phone and turn it on. The second step is to play the 30-second video by clicking the button. The third step is to start getting paid. One video might earn you up to $3, 20 videos would earn you about $60, and up to 100 movies a day could earn you up to $300. This is incredible. You may get started with this for free. There is no investment required. It is accessible everywhere in the world, which is wonderful news. I'll explain how to sign up shortly, along with which videos you should view to optimize your earnings. As soon as you finish viewing this video, pay close attention, because I'll also give you some insider knowledge that will help you earn 3 times as much money as others. But before we go deep into the video, welcome to Daily Cash Tips, where we'll teach you the brand new methods to make money online in 2023. Please enjoy and be informed in this video, and remember to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Also, click the notification bell button so that you will get notified every time we release a new money-making video in our channel. Share this with your family and friends so that everyone is aware of this fantastic money-making strategy. If you have any questions, concerns, or thoughts about the video, please leave a comment below. We look forward to reading it. View this 4-minute video by clicking here. You can earn roughly $3 just by watching this video. On this new website, you can watch numerous additional videos on a computer or mobile device in addition. Pay attentive attention and don't miss any important information. The first step is to go to gg2u.org. This website's sign-up process is immediate and cost-free. You can start making money by just completing surveys, playing games, or watching movies. We'll go over how to watch videos and get paid in this video. This is one of the simplest and the most straightforward strategy that anyone may carry out without any prior experience. The best feature of this website is that you may get $1 for free when you sign up for a free account. Your first name, email address, username, and password are all that is necessary. By selecting the down arrow next to the country column, you can see that they accept applications from people all over the world. No matter where you're from or where you reside, you can still make money online with this global opportunity. Once you have completed the form and checked the box indicating your acceptance of terms and conditions, click the orange sign up button. You may obtain $1 for nothing here by simply signing up for a free account. The variety of options to earn money on this website is another reason why I appreciate it. Gift cards, PayPal, Bitcoin, and other cryptocurrencies are accepted form of payment. If you're from a nation where you don't have a PayPal account, you can also receive your money via Skrill, Paytm, Gcash, bank transfer, or any other payment option. Thanks to this service, you have numerous possibilities for watching various videos online while making money. They offer a rate of 65 to 85%, which is unusually high compared to other websites' rates of 40 to 60%. You will see Welcome to GG2U. We are a very high-paying source for survey routers and offer walls after finishing the sign-up process on this website. You may also view videos, and they'll pay you up to 65 or even 85% of what you see. You can see that they offer you $1 for every 100 coins you have. You will be compensated in coins on this website, and after obtaining 100 coins, you can cash them in for cash. Once you have 700 coins, you can start withdrawing your money and earning $1 for every 100 coins. You can start earning money right away by clicking this orange Click to Continue button, which will take you to the following page. When you click on that option, you will see the message to start earning. Here are some activities that are extremely easy to accomplish. Keep in mind that $1 is equal to 100 coins. You can complete a ton of offers on this website, and by doing so, you can establish many money streams. But once more, watching videos will be the main focus. Scroll all the way down to the bottom of this website to see Note. Some of these offers are only available for a limited time, so try to do them as soon as possible. Continue and complete these offers if you wish to earn additional money in order to do so. You can log into your account after clicking I am done with this page. At the bottom of this page, if all you want to do is making money by watching videos. This is how my GG2U dashboard appears. As you can see, they provided me $1 for free when I made a free account. At any time when I have an additional $6, bringing my total to $7, I can begin withdrawing my money. If you go down below, you can see that there are a ton of other businesses and a ton of other offers. AdGem, Peanut Labs, AdGate, Media, and OfferTuro are a few examples. These are all fairly well-known businesses that give you access to certain exclusive offers you may use to start making money. You can download apps, watch videos, and participate in surveys. Just click on one of these businesses to start completing the offers and earning money. I'll give you one more illustration. If you want to click on Ascend Media, select this button to go to the company's official website, where you can complete other offers to earn money online. Additionally, completing surveys, registering for free trials, and downloading mobile apps can all earn you money. Numerous opportunities are offered at once on a single website. You can start making money by watching videos by simply clicking this video button. You can scroll down below to see earn video points by simply completing any of these videos and autoplay video. For every 200 video points you earn, you'll receive a silver token, which will add $1 up to $3 to your account balance. You can watch videos on food, viral videos, or chillax videos to make money online. As you go down below, there are so many videos that you can even click load more offers to get an endless supply of videos that you may view to keep making money. For instance, this page will be reached if you click on the orange Hideout TV Chillax button. You can start watching videos and making money online right here on Hideout TV. For instance, you can earn between $1 and $3 each video by watching ones like this one, which is 4 minutes and 21 seconds long. You'll be able to earn 3 times as much money as the typical person by using a few more bonus tips I'll provide you. When you click on the gear options, choose the lowest value, 24p. You must select the lowest setting because the ideal strategy for watching on a computer or a phone involves clicking on numerous videos and channels, so that we can make 3 times as much money, if not 5 times as much. Watch them all simultaneously in the background. Additionally, a lot of data or internet speed is consumed. Utilizing the lowest setting is a wise decision. I'll start by giving you one of the most crucial pieces of advice first, and that's what I'll do. The next piece of advice is to select and view a variety of additional videos by checking out the Viral Videos channel. Up next, section on the right. You can win bonuses up to $2 or $4 for each movie if you watch it all the way through from the first 0 seconds to the last 4 minutes. Because of this, if you watch the entire film, they'll get the points they can use to buy actual money. The final plus is that you can view even more videos to watch by hitting this arrow button. Here you can view videos 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 using this one as an example. When you click the arrow next to any of these videos, you'll have access to 7 more videos. To earn extra money online, view all 7 of the bonus videos. Whether you decide to view them on an iPhone or an Android phone, you can take advantage of this option without spending a penny using any device. As soon as you've finished watching the 7 bonus video, simply click the next button. As you can see, there are 9 more videos available for viewing. This is a great way for you to keep watching the films over and over again while making a ton of money online. When you're done with one channel, simply change to the next one to keep watching videos. There are so many films available here that you may just keep watching them to continue making money. That's all for now. I hope that you were able to learn something from this video and that I was able to show you a new method to generate money online. If you liked this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. By clicking the notification bell button, you can be informed when we upload new videos. I'll see you in our forthcoming video, so keep an eye out for that.